Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see lesson 21 Prepositions. Let's get started. I spy Rohan. He is dash the two boxes. He is between. I spy Minnie. She is sitting dash the table. Under the table. I spy Mayur. He is hiding dash the curtain. Behind. I spy Shraddha. She is sitting dash the high shelf. On. So these are all preposition. So what is preposition? Prepositions tells about the relations of one thing to. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. The mangoes are hanging dash the tree. Mangoes are hanging in. The ball is dash the bat. The ball is near. Humpty Dumpty sat dash a wall. Sat on. Matt is standing dash his grandmother. Standing with. Put the toys dash the bag. Put the toys in. Fill in the blanks with the correct preposition. You should brush your teeth dash you have breakfast. You should brush your teeth before the book is lying dash the bed. The book is lying on the bed. Tom fell dash the well. Tom fell into the well. The naughty boy threw the ball dash me. Threw the ball at me. My uncle is going dash the USA tomorrow. Going to. Sandra is chopping vegetables dash the kitchen. In the kitchen. The dog ran dash the cat. The dog ran after the cat. Don't go dash the snake. Don't go near the snake. He hid dash the bed. He hid under the bed. His house is dash my house. His house is beside my house. Underline the prepositions in these sentences. Can you throw the ball across the field? Across. The thief stole the man's wallet from his pocket. From. I write with a pen. With. The naughty boy was sent outside the class. Outside. He made the painting in 5 days. Made. My mother bought bangles for me. For. The robbers are hiding under the bridge. Under. The dog ran to its master. The dog ran to. To. Will you play with me? With. Choose the correct prepositions to fill in the blanks. We go dash the school every day. We go to. On Teacher's Day, Nikhil sang dash the teachers. Nikhil sang for the teacher. You must complete your work dash time. On time. There was a signboard dash the roadside. There was a signboard by the right roadside. The monkey is hanging dash the branch of a tree. The monkey is hanging from the branch of a tree. The plane flew dash the building. The plane flew over. There is a day dash Friday and Sunday. There is a day between. Stand dash the mirror and comb your hair. Stand in front of. The sun slowly rose dash the mountains. Slowly rose over. A dish of pie is kept dash the window sill. On. Understood? This is about the prepositions. Tomorrow we will see interjections. Okay? Thank you.